Hey guys, it's Mata Mike Fishing, and I'm just down by the river again today at a very nice section of it. I think I'll be able to hopefully pull out some smallmouth. The current's definitely not as rough as yesterday from the rain, so should be able to get some nice fish. And there's a bunch of bait fish swimming around, so looks pretty good. There we go. Got one. First smallie of the trip. Fighting him upriver. Oh, and he got off. That was a decent one too. Oh, man. At least I know where they're at now. All yesterday, didn't get one fish. All right, guys, I just got one on. A smallie, I didn't have the camera recording, but he nailed it. It's a decent one too, it looks like. I got him hooked pretty good. Last one wasn't hooked too well. So, just 4-pound test on a tube. There he is. He nailed it too. The other areas I've been fishing just haven't been any luck, so I finally moved downriver. And there we go. That's a pretty decent one right there. Got him hooked. That was the first smallmouth of this whole trip. I fished, this will be the third day I fished. Just see him. And not too bad of a fish. Pretty nice one. So we'll just get him released. So there we go. Just got the nice smallmouth bass. Just get them released. There he goes back into the rocks. Now, the water is just so much deeper over here, so I think I'll have a lot more luck. And basically, using my light setup, and what I have is I just have a hook, but I didn't have any weights left, so I took a shot and ran it through the top, and just put it in the top and then put the hook through. So it does fall down sometimes, but it works pretty good because I just have the split shot in there. And man, he pulled drag though on this rod. Put up a nice fight. Wish I got on video, but hopefully we'll get some more. They'll probably be stacked up in this area. It's much calmer water, but there we go. That's a nice one. Ooh, that's one's even nicer. There we go, we found the spot. And they say where one's at, there's more at. That one's got really nice colors. 4-pound line's crazy fight. That's a nice smallmouth. Got some nice colors on them. There we go. Another nice smallie, around the same size, but good. It's like nowhere in the spot now. I'll drop him down here and you can get some bait fish. There he is, he's out. I don't know what type of snake that is, but it is big. That is a big. Oh, he got off. That's I was fishing all down there, didn't get one fish. Now I got 3 in a row now.
We saw, for real, we saw some really big looking fish jumping about a quarter-mile upstream.
Yeah?
Yeah. You know where the foundations of the old dam are?
Yeah.
Right above that, we were seeing fish jumping a lot.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I think it stopped recording, but I just got